Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your PS4 controller as a mic. To begin, simply plug any standard headset with a 3.5mm audio jack directly into the port located at the bottom of your PS4 controller. Make sure your headset includes a built-in microphone. The PlayStation 4 system is designed to automatically recognize the connected device, allowing you to start communicating almost instantly with minimal setup required. Once your headset is connected, you'll want to fine-tune your audio settings. Hold down the PS button on your controller to bring up the quick menu. From there, navigate to Sound/Devices. Here, you can adjust your volume control, headphones, to a comfortable level, and crucially, set your microphone level for clear communication. You can also choose whether output to headphones is set to chat audio or all audio based on your preference. If you encounter any issues, don't worry, there are a few simple troubleshooting steps. First, double-check that your headset's 3.5mm jack is securely inserted into the controller. A loose connection is a common culprit. You can also test your microphone by sending a quick voice message to a friend. If problems persist, try restarting both your PS4 console and the controller. Sometimes, a simple reboot can resolve minor glitches. Finally, consider trying a different headset to rule out a faulty device. While using your PS4 controller as a mic is convenient, it's important to understand its primary purpose and limitations. This setup is best suited for in-game voice chat and casual communication with friends. For professional-grade audio recording or streaming, a dedicated USB microphone will offer significantly superior sound quality. The built-in input is designed for functionality and ease of use, providing clear enough audio for conversations, but not for high-fidelity sound capture. It's a great solution for everyday gaming needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.